In the business dictionary, operational excellence is defined as a philosophy of the workplace where problem solving, teamwork and leadership results in continuous improvement. So manufacturing really is no stranger to operational excellence, and we started this off at the Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult primarily in our manufacturing innovation centres that we have 2 of in the UK. So I think operational excellence has the same meaning in all industries, but I guess in cell and gene therapy, because the manufacturing and the whole process is far more complex, then operational excellence is far more difficult to achieve. And I think it's very much that it's the time span as well that you have to achieve operational excellence. We were in a session today where AstraZeneca were talking about the speed that they are needing to release product at. And they were talking about with their standard biologics and their small molecules, then the time to release is measured in months, sometimes quite a large number of months. Whereas when it comes to cell and gene therapies, the vein-to-vein time that they're targeting is measured in days, which is a massive step change. So to be able to achieve operational excellence in that time is a significant challenge when it comes to cell and gene therapies. Yeah, so there was a lot of discussion in the sessions on people bringing in automation to improve operational excellence. And it's always what everybody wants to do. It's the holy grail. Get everything automated, have everything into sophisticated IT systems, put everything with electronic batch manufacturing records, have manufacturing execution systems. All this technology is there. And it would be great to have this in cell and gene therapies. And they are being introduced at a very early stage in cell and gene therapies. In the rest of the industry, in small molecules, in biologics, people generally wait until commercialization to implement these kind of technologies. But within cell and gene therapies, due to all of the challenges and due to the need for operational excellence to be able to get the therapies out in the time and at the throughput that we need, then people are looking to put these systems in place. But it is so challenging. The challenges that everybody were talking about were absolutely massive. And a lot of this is really to do with the fact that we're using systems that are developed for commercial therapies that are not really tailored for cell and gene therapies at an early stage where you're having to make lots and lots of different changes. But there are solutions coming on the market that are more bespoke to cell and gene therapies, where people are looking to integrate everything from chain of custody, chain of identity, through EBMRs to scheduling of the manufacturing facility, bringing all of that into one place, but also integrating with the existing enterprise systems that are on the market. And these systems are quite a bit more configurable, that are able to be used at an earlier stage. And this is for companies like the newcomers on the market, like Autonomous and a few others that are developing these kind of technologies. And I think this will make a big step change when it comes to achieving operational excellence in cell and gene therapies. There's been a lot of talk at the conference, and many of the exhibition stands as well have new companies who are developing new process-in-a-box technologies. So these are the likes of the Cocoon system from Lonza, the Solaris system that they were presenting in the operational excellence session, and also Ori Biotech. And I think this is going to be a big game changer because these are parallel systems that can manufacture multiple CGTs at the same time, fully automated within a box. And if these are able to integrate the process analytical technologies that are required to enable people to adapt to the process and also to be adaptable to sufficient process or sufficient number of processes, I think these are going to make the big change in this field. And the market hasn't missed this, obviously. So if you think of the really large investment that's just been made in Ori Biotech, I think it was $100 million announced very recently. It's due to the real buzz around these technologies. And CRB also gave a presentation where they were analysing the number of companies who were looking at these technologies, and it's a massive number of companies now that are really assessing these technologies. So I think this will make the big game change moving forward.